Hello, welcome to the first tutorial done by Brackeys.
Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Hello everyone, hey everyone, it's me. Hello everyone, happy new year, yo dog. Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, hey everyone, hello everyone. Hello everyone. As you can probably guess from the title of this video, we have some news that we would like to share with you. This is pretty crazy, so I'm just gonna come right out and say it. This is our last video. Yeah. I know that sounds really dramatic and you probably have a bunch of questions, so I'm gonna do my best to answer them. Let's start with the why. First of all, I just want to be very clear that this decision does not come from a negative place. Nothing in particular has prompted us to stop, no one is mad at anyone or anything like that. The reason why is simply that it's time for us to move on to new things. Personally, I've been making YouTube videos on game development for almost 8 years now. That's a long time. I was 12 when I first picked up Unity and 15 when I started the channel, so I've spent a lot of my younger years trying to make game development more accessible. And it's been an incredible experience. Of course, making the videos themselves, getting to teach game development to an audience and watching that audience grow. But also running the channel with good friends, moving into an office, traveling to events and meeting developers from all over the world. But of course, all good things must come to an end. And while I'm in love with game development, and it's been amazing creating all this content over the years, I just checked, we've made like 460 videos. It's time to take a step back and see what other fun stuff there is to try. So, what does that mean for the future? Well, personally, I'm gonna be taking a break from the game development space. Maybe pursue some personal projects or learn some new skills, maybe get a bit more time for family. For Brackeys, this means that we will no longer be putting out new content. Will there ever be new videos again? Who knows, but we don't have anything planned. But I want to make it very clear that we'll be keeping everything up. All of our videos will still be available to watch. We've been working on putting subtitles on a lot of them as well. The Discord server and forum will also remain active. The same goes for line of code and dev assets and all of our other downloadable content. The only thing that we'll be taking down is the Patreon page. So a huge thank you to everyone who've supported over the years. Brackeys wouldn't have been possible without you. And I've mentioned a few things that made this experience creating Brackeys amazing. But for me, the most important thing is the incredible community that has evolved around it. It's truly been incredible watching a community come to life in this way. And most importantly, that it's become such a supportive, welcoming, nice, and just fun place to be for game developers of all different kinds. And while it's time for us to move on, the last thing that I want is for it to have any impact on the community. Because of that, the Discord server will of course remain active and fully functional, and the Discord staff will continue running it on a day-to-day basis. I'll also be checking in once in a while to make sure that everything is running smoothly and to say hi, but honestly, the Discord staff have already been running it independently for a long time now. They're really much better at it than I am. Which is also why we're renaming the server to Brackeys Community. It wouldn't exist without you, only seems fair you get some of the credit. We'll also continue to host events like the Brackeys Game Jam. I'll of course make sure to post about it when the next event is coming up. I recommend you follow us at Brackeys Tweet on Twitter for those kinds of announcements, and I'll also make a written YouTube post once in a while, so I recommend you stay subscribed to get notified of that. And most importantly, if you aren't already part of the Brackeys Community Discord server, go join. It's a lot of fun. Of course, I imagine a lot of you still have questions, so to help answer some of them, we'll be having an hour-long QA session in the Discord server on Tuesday the 22nd at 7 p.m. CEST. And we'll generally be active in the Discord server the coming week to try and answer any additional questions. Finally, I would just like to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who's been watching and supporting the videos over the years. Thank you to those who've been leaving comments, answering questions, and participating in game jams. And a special thanks to the dedicated moderators who've not only been keeping everything in order, but have spent countless hours trying to come up with ways to make the community better. So thanks to everyone on the screen now. You deserve all the praise you can get. And of course, there have been a lot of people over the years who've helped make Brackeys what it is today. Again, a huge thank you to the Patreon supporters for your generous donations and for helping keep us afloat. Thanks to Matt, Carl, Elena, Sam Saiku, and Andre Mixandjam, and everyone else at Unity who's worked to bridge the gap between YouTube and software. Thanks to all the amazing people we've met and collaborated with, and of course, a big thank you to the Brackeys team itself. To Jesper, for writing entertaining and educational videos, and for being a pleasure to be around. To Thea, for persevering through looking at my face through endless editing sessions, and for being a most valued friend. To Andreas, for being my partner in crime these last years, for running the company with me in tough and fun times alike, and for always putting a smile on my face. And to my life partner, Sophia, for making Brackeys a possibility, for showing me the way when I get lost, and for being the wisest person that I know. And that's pretty much it for this video. From here, I wish all of you the best of luck with your game development endeavors. Game development, like many things in life, is a journey, and whether you're just starting yours or you've been treading the game developer path for a long time now, remember that the most important thing is to have fun. And with that, cue the outro.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. On that, thanks for watching. Is it working? Thanks for watching. 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 Thanks for watching.